Hello everyone, welcome back to the TechLock YouTube channel. Today for this video of TechLock, I will be showing you how to change the language on Facebook Messenger. So for that, open the Messenger application first. Once you open the Messenger application, if you tap on profile and go through the settings of the Messenger, you might not find an option to change your language from there. So what you can do is you open the setting on your mobile device, tap open setting. In this setting, you need to tap on language and region. As the setting for Android device is different to each and every phone device, so you can look for the language and region, or if you can scroll down, then click on system. And inside there, you will have the language and input option. Tap that. Now from here, you will be able to change the language to different one. Once you change your language from here, the language in the Messenger will also be changed. So tap on the language, and from here you tap on add language, and there are the options available. Now you choose any option that you want. Scroll down, find the option that you want. So I'm just gonna go with a different one. Tap that, and that will be added to here. Now you need to remove the other language that is already in here, the United States English. For that, tap on the dotted lines on the right side, then tap on remove. From here you choose the previous language, and then you delete this. Tap on OK. Now once you do that, everything on your phone device will be changed. That is the language and each and everything. There you can see. Now if you go to the Messenger, it will change the setting over here as well. There you can see the change in language. So this is a way how you can change language in Facebook Messenger. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the TechLock YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.